Quite frankly, Matte TENCEL and the development of Matte TENCEL was done to solve a challenge in the business where there was a lot of shine in traditional tencel fiber.
Well, the key benefits are actually, we have the gentle, natural softness, and which customers appreciate. And actually, the Matte TENCEL gives finally the non-shiny version and a cotton-like appearance.
TENCEL as a product, it is known for the sheen which it brings to the fabric. However, with this TENCEL Matte, we are retaining the properties of TENCEL, which is the hand feel, which is the drapiness, and yes, without the sheen.
I think that the TENCEL Matte is more similar to cotton. It is more natural, and the TENCEL anyway is a sustainable fiber, but having the Matte TENCEL blended with cotton and cellulosic fibers gives a more natural look and more confidence in the, let's say, in the final use of this new fiber.
What was missing was that, the shine. The products were too shiny, especially when you talk about denim. With the help of Matte TENCEL, this fiber eliminates the shine coming out on a denim fabric, if you compare it with the regular TENCEL Lyocell. So the advantage I would say that we get from this Matte TENCEL is that, it reduces, I would say, the shine, making the denim fabric look more authentic rather than being very shiny.
So after introduction for the Matte TENCEL fiber, we get a Matte TENCEL fiber created perfect harmony for the tensile softness together with the very natural aesthetics. So I can say that it is as soft as TENCEL and it is as authentic as cotton.
So using Matte TENCEL has given us a leverage to incorporate and build the authentic character, and at the same time has a more softer hand feel onto the fabrics. And because of its nature, it is giving us more, conventional look. And at the same time, the softness and the other properties of TENCEL are there.
I think denim has the privilege of being a timeless classic, and it's an icon of fashion. But at the same time, we are always looking for ways to create more sustainable products and always innovating. And I feel when it comes to eco-conscious fibers, Lenzing has always been at the forefront of product development. Matte TENCEL gives the original TENCEL sort of like a refresh. TENCEL has been, a staple product for Lenzing for a long time. So it pays tribute to the heritage of Lenzing, but it also looks towards the trends of the future.
So the addition of Matte TENCEL is really, we are very excited about this fiber. This fiber really help us to cover such attributes that we were not able to achieve by using regular TENCEL fiber.
So a lot of customers were always saying, can we use something other than TENCEL to reduce the sheen in the fabric so that it can look more natural? So I think that TENCEL Matte has addressed in a very successful way.
So right now, there are, two advantages linked with the Matte TENCEL, that you can get better authentic look as compared to the normal TENCEL. I'm not saying that it is matchable as of cotton, but it is much better as compared to the normal TENCEL. And the soft hand feel is almost similar as compared to the TENCEL.
But with this Matte TENCEL, we just don't need to care about it. And the horizon, the whole variety, the whole, you can say the platform for all the brands out there is wide open. But we just made a few fabrics in Matte TENCEL and it addressed the issue. For the fashion designers out there, the variety is now there. They can use TENCEL regardless of being concerned for the luster that it provides.
Well, Matte TENCEL is a new addition into Lyocell fiber line. And I think it's especially designed for denim because, in denim, there was always a question from our customers, they wanted to have a product that look less shiny and give you more authentic denim look. So I think this brings a great benefit to a denim product. It's a very versatile fiber. It has natural soft touch, which is coming from a closed loop production of Lyocell fiber, and it's also very sustainable. And it has naturally wicking properties. So I think with this is a great addition to Lenzing sustainable product line, and we believe these fibers are not just to enhance existing product face value with more beauty, but also it will have an impact, a positive impact by adding more value towards the sustainable fashion.
I mean, I think there's a huge opportunity because you're seeing right now the wider leg silhouettes, not as much stretch involved, so a lot of 1% stretches. So incorporating matte tencel with a heavier weight product gives you, as I said earlier, that vintage look. It doesn't take away from the character and the wash down of the indigo. This is an actual piece of the original development of Matte TENCEL 4 years ago.
Okay, the market opportunities. For us at Penta Denim, we believe that through the authentic heritage vintage denims can be created using matte tencel because it still has this cotton appearance and it has this luxury softer hand feel, which a lot of men's brands like see the LA market still aim for.
This tencel matte, it can go into a larger menswear category also. Number one, it still retails the sustainability aspects because of the raw material and the process and how this tencel is made. So it's just the ideal, I would say, ingredient for making a sustainable wash jean.
With Matte TENCEL, we give more confidence for the brands to adopt. So on the larger scale of volume, I think TENCEL matte can be a very, very important pillar for the business.
Well, market opportunity, it comes from the same point, what we have seen that, brands and the consumers, they loved the product, which they got from a conventional lyocell tencel. With the help of Matte TENCEL, it opens up a new product range with respect to especially the lighter weights. When in lighter weights, if you talk about the conventional lyocell, the lighter weights were made, yes, but with the shine and everything, when the light used to reflect on the product, it used to be very shiny, which was making it more of like a synthetic product. While with the help of Matte TENCEL now, there is a good opportunity, especially in the lighter weights, especially in the shirtings and the dresses. It keeps the product more authentic, especially when you're going with like a denim fabric, like deep dark indigos.
After the introduction of the Matte TENCEL fiber, the opportunities for denim have expanded even further because unlike conventional tencel, Matte TENCEL removes all the subtle sheen from the products and it provides the designer very wide range of the aesthetic options. So they can easily increase the different kind of aesthetics and they can easily cover the customer needs. So this is one of the opportunities which we believe in the market.
Introducing Matte TENCEL into the products has given us this leverage to broaden the product base into more of a conventional authentic looking fabrics. At the same time, we are also looking at all the comfort level and the softness and the soft hand feel that is being achieved with the use of tencel fibers. So that is one of the things we are currently exploring, and we are very hopeful that this is going to be a great combo of having a real authentic denim character and along with the soft hand feel.
So, like I said, we're always on the lookout for the next new thing. And I think Matte TENCEL is one of the products that gives us that edge. It's a very versatile fiber. The fact that it's matte and it's durable and it's versatile gives us the opportunity to create lots of different styles. So we're not just using them in our bottoms, but we're also using them in dresses, in jackets, in tops. And it's like an integral part of our next fashion season campaign.
So Matte TENCEL Lyocell actually offer a unique selling proposition to the brands. They come up with a new idea. They are taking up the cutting edge technologies in the very in the very beginning. So this gives them the opportunity to have a different product range.
I think tencel matte looks more natural. It is more cotton-like in its appearance. So right now, as the fabric trend, the wash trend is mostly of the authentic vintage jeans. So it is going to retain the same outlook, the same appearance of 100% cotton jean. The authenticity of the fabric is more enhanced, as we observed in the indigo fabrics where we used tencel matte.
there is a need of alternate fibers as of cotton, because there is a huge load on cotton consumption. These regenerated fibers, especially this matte tencel, which is less shiny, more soft, more authentic, and near to cotton. So this can be the biggest opportunity in the market to offset that cotton consumption load. These kind of fibers, especially matte tencel, which is more near to cotton as of authenticity and more soft as of cotton. So I think matte tencel is going to have a biggest opportunity in the market.
The best part about Matte TENCEL is coming from Lenzing. It is completely closing the loop, keeping the resources very optimized, and it is traceable.
So I think Matte TENCEL has this natural, less sheen, when we mix it with the cotton or other blend for denim. And this adds a new life into our denim collection. And I think, with the soft touch for men's, women's, for all segment where we are offering our denim collection, I think this will add a new lifeline, and, this will add more value into the product, that we are offering with TENCEL Matte.